Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Andrew Silden. You're watching Crypto Watch. Today, I have some exciting news regarding XRP. I'm going to show you a trade setup that I'm currently in. I entered in about 2 hours ago, roughly. Um, but I entered in on this trade right around here. We entered at 70.76. We're currently right around 73 cents. We're targeting 81 cents. And if you look, that's actually a 100% return. The other day, I used similar technical analysis to what I have today, the same pattern actually, and I was targeting 100% on that trade setup. But unfortunately, I closed out on it because I was like, okay, the markets don't look really healthy. I closed out about 150 XRP in profit. Woke up the next morning, realized I missed out on a $1,000 trade. So it hurt a little, but whatever. We move on. We find another entry, and we did about 10 cents later. But we're doing the same similar pattern. Um, so we're targeting almost 1,500 XRP after fees. That'll probably be about like 13.75, 13.50. But we're still almost doubling the account, which is great considering, like, if you watched my earlier video, I started this account with like $250, and I've been trying to make 3% every day. Have I hit that? No, but I'm way ahead of my goal. So some days I've made, 10%, some days I'll lose 3, so on and so forth. But in terms of where I should be at making 3% every day, I'm way ahead of the goal, and I keep updating y'all on most of my videos of where I'm at. So we're doing great. Hopefully I'll wake up tomorrow and make $1,000 trade. It'll be very exciting news. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Quick market overview. Bitcoin still under that 40K resistance. We broke out above it yesterday. Obviously retraced a bit below that, and now we're consolidating again. If you look, literally this is just on the 5 minute. Like, look at all this consolidation we're seeing. It's just bouncing back and forth, bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. Oh snap, we just shot up again. Nice, love to see it. Right on the 30 minute, right there. But anyways, let's jump into this trade setup. If you notice, I have my bull flag pattern. We saw a giant run up. We went ahead and drew the flagpole, found our resistance line right here. We're breaking out above it. We did retest on it. This is a 4 hour time frame too, which is what's giving me great confirmation that it's going to be a huge move. Because obviously the larger the time frame, if it's forming that pattern, it's more likely to happen. Very exciting right there. So yeah, drew my resistance, drew my support, entered in right here at 70.76, and we're targeting 81 cents roughly. If we want to also pull this out even more, just to show you some even more exciting news in terms of technical analysis, if you remember my favorite pattern, a double bottom, we saw shoot down, a retest. Now what are we doing? We're forming that W, that massive W. This is on a daily chart. So after this huge retracement, ginormous retracement from literally $1.80 almost, $1.70, all the way down here to just 50 cents. Huge retracement. Naturally, things have to go back up, right? We're seeing this W being formed, massive double bottom. And if we just play conservative off of this, not taking into account any of, the bull run momentum that we're having and stuff that we should be returning to, our target is 95 cents almost. That's huge if we just go off of my entry, of like 70.76 right around here. That alone is a 35% move. When we add in leveraging 8x, if we can catch a hold of something like that, that is an insane, insane return. So hopefully that plays out how we believe it to be. It should come up, and if you notice, I have this yellow line bouncing, breaking through this resistance, using it as a support, and then we're targeting the upside, and then we should continue shooting up. It should be a very, very quick and volatile move up. Very exciting, very explosive price action going to be happening that I cannot wait to show you. But just some quick news about XRP. If you're still wondering what is XRP, well, there's a company behind it, Ripple. Like I said, they're under a lawsuit right now, but that lawsuit is BS. It's about to get settled. I don't know how, but it'll be settled. The biggest thing with XRP, there's a term called remittance. I believe that's how you spell it. Yeah. So sum of money sent back in payment or gift. The company Ripple, the reason they have created XRP is to create a global wealth system where everyone's using the same thing, similar to the goal of cryptocurrency in general. But like I said, Bitcoin is way too large and way too slow to just send back and forth. Let's say you are, someone who's from Venezuela working in America, and you want to send money back to your family. It takes way more time, has to go through more banks. You're obviously going to incur more fees sending that US dollar back to Venezuela. Because a lot of people do that. They send money back, to their families when they immigrate to America. That's a very common occurrence. Um, so if we have a global monetary system that all runs off of the same currency, naturally things are going to be much smoother, have way less fees, um, and it'll be way easier to just send money back and forth. So you're going to have people sending XRP instead of US dollars, so on and so forth, back to their families. Um, so that is XRP's purpose. And like I said, the banks like it. They want to adopt XRP. So between adoption, its use, the company behind it, Ripple, they have so many people working on it, so much manpower, trying to get this thing right, to have it adopted in the world. It's my favorite project, my favorite coin. I'm very excited about it. That's why I trade it. Obviously, like I said, I invest in Bitcoin and whatever the case may be. But I trade XRP. It's my favorite. I like trying this challenge of trying to earn more daily, and it's been fun. So that's all I have for y'all today. I hope you learned something. I hope technical analysis patterns are getting reinforced. Bull flags, double bottoms, yada yada yada. And I hope that was educational for y'all. Feel free to message me if you have me on Facebook or whatever, or even if you want to comment something, any questions you might have, or if you want me to do a specific coin that you want me to review. Whatever you want. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to somebody who might be interested in learning about cryptocurrency, and keep investing. Thank you.